Ywallet brings together all the privacy features that enpowers Ycash and Zcash. For instance, with Ywallet, you can easily set up T2T, T2Z, Z2Z or Z2T transactions. Moreover, Ywallet offers the fastest synchronization. In most cases, it performs orders of magnitude faster than the other shielded wallets currently on the market. It can literally restore a wallet in minutes when other apps would take hours. With its support of diversified addresses, Ywallet can generate an unlimited number of shielded addresses, without performance or speed degradation. Unlike other wallets, Ywallet can deal with multiple accounts. Each account can have its unique seed phrase, secret key or viewing key. But Ywallet is not only the best multi-currency shielded wallet. It is also a powerful private messenger that uses encrypted memos on the blockchain to ensure your messages are always safe, secure and secret. Finally, some of its more advanced and unique features include the ability to track and control coin outputs, and the creation of transactions paying multiple recipients. On top of that, Ywallet offers several distinctive useful functions, such as a P&L dashboard and cold storage with a second Ywallet acting as the offline signer. Thanks for trying Ywallet, the fastest and most advanced shielded wallet on the planet.